Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom. And then tap on this icon. Now you have to touch and hold on the power off icon, so just do it and then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode, so just give it a moment. And the restart is complete, so just unlock your phone. And now you can see in my phone safe mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable safe mode, just swipe from top to bottom and then tap here to turn off safe mode option. Then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode, so just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. And now you can see in my phone safe mode has been disabled successfully. Now you have to swipe from top to bottom and then find flight mode option. That's it. Then you have to turn off this option from here. And it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.